Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. If I want to install this program and click on run, now you can see I'm getting the error. This app can't run on your PC. To find a version for your PC, check with the software publisher. Okay, so first of all you need to make sure that you have installed the correct the correct bits of operating system you are using. You need to make sure that you have installed exe as per your system bit. So how to check the system requirement and the operating system bit, whether you are using 64-bit or 32-bit operating base system? Go to system information, and once you open that, you should see this option which says system type. If it is 64 based PC, you need to install the software accordingly. If you are using 32-bit operating system, you need to install the exe accordingly. Okay, so after applying this method, it should fix your issue automatically. Go to the publisher again and reinstall the correct exe with the 64-bit operating system base. If still facing the issue, okay, so you need to right click on the exe and go to its properties, open compatibility. If some the software is not compatible with your Windows, you need to tick this option, run this program in a compatibility mode. Okay, and click on apply. Once you click on apply, click on OK. Now you need to right click and try to run as administrator here and click on yes button, but in my case this does not fix the issue, so move to the second method. Okay, so in the second method, what you need to do is you need to change some settings from the control panel. So open the control panel, open that up, go to large icon, select large icons here. Once you go to the large icons here, you need to search here user control. Now you will see here the change user account control setting. Open that and drag it to the bottom and click on OK and click on yes when the prompt opens. And now try to run the software and see if it fixes the issue or not. If still not fix your issue, sometimes there is a cache inside your Windows, so we need to remove that cache so that we can clean install the app or the software. Open the run command here and type here clean mzr and hit OK and click on OK. Once you click on OK, click on clean up system files, again click on OK. Now it will take some time to scan all the previous installation file as well as the all software files, so you need to wait here now. Now we need to select all boxes here, tick all the boxes here and click on OK, and it should fix your issue. So I'm not going to click on OK, my video recording will be stopped. Okay, so select all the items here, then click on OK and it should fix your issue. If this is also not going to fix your issue, if you have updated the Windows and some wrong Windows you have installed, so open the troubleshooter, open that up, additional troubleshooter. In the Windows 11 you will see it, other troubleshooter, and you need to click on this option first, Windows Update, and run the troubleshooter. This will fix the Windows Update related settings if some missing or files are here. So this will fix it, and after that try to install that program and also run this program compatibility troubleshooter and click on yes, and this is surely going to fix your issue. And once the both troubleshooter are run completely, just restart your system and thereafter fix your issue. And it should fix your issue now. Okay, so this is how guys you can fix the issue, but in my case the issue is still not resolved since it has the 32-bit operating system file. And let me show you here. Okay, we are not able to find it. Go to Google and type there this. Now you will see here download option, and you need to select here this option 64-bit and this 86 for 32-bit. So click on download, and once you download that, let me refresh it, it should run now. You can see it's running properly and it should fix your issue. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech. And one another tip also, you can turn off the Windows firewall security as well as the Windows Defender and then run it. Okay.